Okay, we are continuing the Chapter 13 final project for Week 5, Monday, January 4th, 2017. On this page, it gives us some instructions for the assignment. On the top of the page, it says Eric Christian sent you an email about some debit and credit card transactions made last week during the installation. The email said purchase some gas for delivery at Patel's. You may need to set up a new account for automobile expenses. Bought lunch for everyone at Oscar's, and is there an account for meals? If not, please set one up. Eric included a copy of a receipt for $4.50 from Price Company with Gen Bus noted on it, and there may also be bank charges on the statement. So keep all of this in mind as you complete these tasks. So the first task is to upload the checking CSV file. The CSV file is ch13 Raincross Business Bank 4673.csv for the checking account, and the credit card CSV file, which is ch13 Visa Raincross December 2026.csv, and the transactions for December into the appropriate account via the banking, and then uploading the transactions manually, and then you click on File Upload and then match or add all transactions. So the first step we will go to is transactions or the banking. Click on that, and then you'll have import or upload transactions on the screen, or if not and you have this screen, you'll go up to link account, click on the down arrow and click upload from file, and you'll have this screen, and then you select files and you'll go to the chapter 13 folder or wherever you have it saved, and you'll find the ch13 Raincross Business Bank 4673.csv file. Click on that, click open, click continue, and select the QuickBooks account for the bank file you want to upload. This is for the checking account, so we'll click on checking, click continue. This information is like in the previous chapters when we've uploaded a CSV file. This is asking, is the first row in our file a header? And chapter or in row 1, this is our header. So yes, it is a header section. And then how many columns show amounts in the Excel or CSV file? And there is only one column that shows an amount. So then what kind of date format do we want to use for the file? This one uses the month, date, year format. So we will click on the month, date, year with the forward slashes on it. And then this is also asking us where this information is located. So column 1 should have the transaction date. Column 5 should have the description. And column 4 should have the amount. So if we go to the CSV file, column 1 has the transaction date, column 5 has the description, and column 4 has the amount. So that is all correct there. If that is not, you can click on it and then change it to the correct one, but if it came up like this, it should be good then. So click continue. Now it's asking us which ones of these do we want to import. We will want to import them all. So we'll click on all of them, and we'll click continue. And it says we will be importing 35 transactions using the fields we chose. Do you want to import now? Yes. And then click done. And then we'll do the same step for the credit card Visa account, except for we'll click on credit card Visa, and we'll click on the down arrow or the upload import transactions or CSV files. And then we'll click select files, and then we'll upload the ch13 Visa Raincross December 2026 CSV file. Click on that, click open, click continue, and it'll ask us which account will we want to upload it. We want the credit card Visa, and click continue. And this is also asking us the same information as the first row in our file a header. It is how many columns show amounts. There's only one. We need to select the date format we want. It'll be the same month, date, year. And then also this is the same columns from our file. Is column 1 the transaction date it is, column 5 being the description, and column 4 being the amount they are. And we can leave this check number optional, empty and blank on both of those. So then we can click continue. And these are the transactions that we will be importing. So we'll click up on the left of the date column, so select them all, and click continue. And it says we will be importing 12 transactions using the fields you chose. And yes, we want to import now. And then we'll click done. And then these are all the 4 review transactions that we have for credit card and Visa. And then we will now be done for number 1 of Monday, January 4th, 2027.